and do both. What it was is that after looking at Queensland relocatables and kit homes, I was like, they're all ugly or expensive. So I was like, let's have a go. And some images from over in New Zealand in Christchurch, and it was like, let's just do it. So we went and had a meeting with council and we got this approved. This was the first one we got approved. So it was essentially 3 containers, but none of this bit in between. So it was, I worked with my builder who I've worked with for about 10 years, and we worked out we could do that for about 120 grand. The neighbours set up petitions. They got about 450 petitions of stopping people walking along the beach, and while we were building it. So it was essentially a battle. So pretty stressful with 3 kids and a business, and growing up here as a kid, born here, integrity was everything. So to have that question was pretty tough. We stuck with it and we delivered the home. Yeah, so as it worked out, it got called into the state, and the good thing is there was someone who sat higher than that person who basically said, don't be silly, we're not going to do this. So all of a sudden it just died a slow death. But then all of a sudden it took off on another stream. So we ended up winning House of the Year on the Sunshine Coast Architects Award. We won Project of the Year at the Institute, and we went to the State Awards, and there was 4 houses selected. Every other house was over 5 million. Ours was 170,000, and we got a commendation, which we didn't get the gong, but that was pretty special for us. Amazing outcomes because the community really got in behind it, and it was amazing to see the people who were open to things and change, and I think we've broken down a lot of those barriers, and since then state government has appointed us to 3 projects with them. One working alongside my hero, which is a guy called Gabriel Poole, so he teamed me up with him, so had many meetings.